Hello guys, hope you are all good. Today we have some muddy toys with rainbow color. So this is green color, this is pink color. So first of all we put into the basket and then wash them and see what's inside it. So let's start the video without wasting your time. So we choose this first. This is pink color and this is so big, and put into the basket. And let's see what I choose. I confuse. I choose this one. I choose this, and no, I choose this big one. No, I choose this. I choose this. This is pink color. Now what I choose? I choose this. It's look like a man. Nice pink color. So what I choose? I choose this. This is green color. Now I choose this. Nice green color. Now I choose this. Wow, amazing. Now I choose this. This is green. Now I choose this. I don't know what's inside it. Now only left one. This is pink color. Now I put all the toys into the basket. Water is so clean. Now let's start the video without wasting your time. Let's see, wash them and see what's inside it. So what I choose first this. See what's inside it. So let's wash. Nice. It looks like a heavy bike. So next I choose this. Let's see what's inside it. Wow, Captain America shield. Nice. So next what I choose this big one. Let's see what's inside it. Wow, amazing petroleum truck. No, I choose this. Let's see what's inside it. Wow, amazing. It looks like a knife. Now what I choose this one. Let's see inside it. Wow, it looks like an Iron Man. Nice. Let's see. I choose this pink color. Let's see what's inside it. Wow, It's look like a handcuff. Nice. Now what I choose? I choose this big one. Nice, amazing. I know it's difficult to wash. Try. Let's see. Wash because it's so big. It looks like a limousine. Nice. It's very difficult to wash. Nice. Now I choose this one. This is green color. Let's see. Wow, it looks like a car. No, I choose what I choose. I choose this. I don't know what's inside it. Let's see. Nice. It looks like a bulletproof jacket. No, I choose this pink color. Let's see. Nice. It's look like a tool. Now we have left two toys. So what I choose? I choose this big one. Difficult to wash. Let's see what's inside it. Nice. It looks like a big raffle. Wow, amazing. Now we have left only one toy. This is pink color. Let's see. Wow, amazing. It looks like a bull. Nice. So guys, we should wash all the toys and see what's inside it. So please like and share the videos and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.